Let's talk about web application security, best practices and common threats. Web application security is a critical aspect of web application development. It involves implementing a set of best practices and security measures to protect the web application and its users from potential threats and attacks. One of the best practices for web application security is input validation. This involves validating all user input before it is processed by the application. This can help to prevent SQL injection attacks, where an attacker can insert malicious code into an input field, and cross-site scripting XSS attacks, where an attacker can inject malicious code into a web page viewed by other users. Another important aspect of web application security is authentication and access control. This involves ensuring that only authorized users have access to the web application and its sensitive data. This can be achieved through the use of secure login credentials, such as a username and password, and through the use of role-based access control, which allows different levels of access to different users based on their role within the organization. Encryption is another important aspect of web application security. This involves the use of secure encryption algorithms to protect sensitive data, such as credit card numbers, from being intercepted and read by unauthorized parties. It also can be used to protect data during transmission between the client and the server. Common web application threats include SQL injection, cross-site scripting XSS, cross-site request forgery CSRF, and distributed denial of service DDoS attacks. SQL injection involves injecting malicious code into an input field, which can allow an attacker to gain access to sensitive data or perform unauthorized actions. XSS attacks involve injecting malicious code into a web page viewed by other users, which can allow an attacker to steal sensitive information such as login credentials. CSRF attacks involve tricking a user into performing an action they didn't intend, such as making a purchase or transferring money. DDoS attacks involve overwhelming a web application's servers with a flood of traffic, making it unavailable to legitimate users. To protect against these common threats, web application developers can implement various security measures, such as using secure coding practices, regularly updating the web application and its dependencies, and implementing a comprehensive security testing plan. Additionally, using web application firewalls and intrusion detection systems can also help to detect and prevent potential attacks. In conclusion, web application security is a critical aspect of web application development. Implementing best practices such as input validation, authentication and access control, and encryption can help to protect the web application and its users from potential threats and attacks. Additionally, being aware of common web application threats and implementing the appropriate security measures can help to keep the web application and its users safe.